African queen. Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in way with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African.
Hey beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lita. I am back to do with another bang girl. So basically I am gonna be showing you guys how to do an African wrap your hair. You feel me? You feel me? Anybody feel me? Okay. So I have 3 different fabric. I'm gonna be showing you 3 different nice way how to wrap your hair. Right, so this is not my y'all. This is my mama African clothes, African fabric that she had in her room. I look around, she wasn't around, so you feel me? I had to do this real quick before she get back from wherever she go. So let's do this, y'all. Let's do this. Okay, so you want to put your hair in a little messy bun. You want to take your fabric, open it up and like make it even on both sides of it. You want it for it to be even. Okay, when that is done, you're gonna take the end of your fabric and put it on your hair. The first style I want my hair to show, so my hair's gonna show in this style. So I put the wrap on my braids. This is for like if you have a braids and like the braids, the back of it is fucked up, but you want to put it in a low cute bun. This is how you do it. So you put it over here. You want to collect all of the fabric in your hair and go around your hair. Don't worry about any hair that is dropping right now. We're gonna fix that later. So you have this right here. You want to go around with this. And you tack it in, yo. Tack it in. You see that right there? You want to go around, like wrap this. You go around with that. Keep wrapping it, yo. The more you wrap it, it gets smaller. Keep wrapping, yo. Keep wrapping. Okay. And then try to keep tacking it in now. Keep tacking it in so that this part of it don't show at all. So, and now you have it, but you want to make sure that your braids is not hanging all over the place. So you tack it in, put your braids into place. Make sure you fix the hair if you want it, if you want your little edges and shit to show. You feel me? And if any hair showing out, you try to put it back in. Like, you feel me, sis? Alright. Okay, so and this is the first style. We have it right here. For the second style, you still want to have your hair in a bun, you feel me? And then you want to have a fabric that is really big like this. Any other fabric will do it, y'all. So you're gonna break the fabric into 2. You're gonna make it into half. Not, you don't rip your fabric back, just fold it. Fold it into like this kind of half. Basically, it's the same style as the first one, but this one is gonna be in a bun in the front. You're covering your whole hair, so watch me. And there you have it. This one is really cute. Alright guys, the test style. Basically, as you already see, I put my bun down. So you want to make sure your head is flat. And you just do the style, so watch me do it. So you want to make sure your fabric is in a triangle formula, like, you feel me? When your fabric is in a triangle, you want to fold it over. I really wish you can see what I'm doing, y'all. The struggle is real. So you fold it and then you cover your hair. Yo, I learned this style when I was in Africa, because I used to go to church like that, and my grandmother told me to cover my hair. She said it's not appropriate to have your hair out in the church. I don't know why, but okay guys, so for the full hairstyle, you want to make sure your head is still down, you know what I'm saying? The hairstyle, my auntie used to do it for me when I was like back home in Liberia. And like when I come from school, sometimes she, or when I'm just sitting there, she'd be like, Elita, come here, come go to the market and buy some small thing. And I'd be like, oh, I can't go. She'd be like, why? I'd be like, you know, my hair not apply yet. And she's like, come here. And then she would like take her fiber and just wrap it around my hair, and it just would be so cute. I'm doing it because it's like, you know, every time I do this fabric wrap around, or when I wrap my hair like this, it make me think of her, and it made me miss her. So I'm gonna do that today, but I don't know if I really still, I don't know exactly how she do it, but I kind of like, I have an idea of what she used to do on my hair, so I'm just gonna do it. Let me show you. But like this is how she would do it. It used to be like a little bun in the front, and like maybe when I have hair and it just hang around, or she just like, you know, it used to be cute. So here you go, it's a very simple hairstyle. Okay guys, so the last style we're gonna be doing, you want to make sure you put your hair in a little knee bun, like this, something in a little knee, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be perfect, y'all, but like that. And you want to get your fabric in this long, like make sure it's this long, because you want to use your fabric as like a band. So watch what I'm doing. Guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.